Did you know that you can eliminate white backgrounds from any of your images? In your studio, if you scroll down to the bottom to Asset Managers, click on Images to pull up all of the images you've uploaded to Boom. There, you can select images with white backgrounds and edit them by clicking on the Edit Image button. At the bottom are your tools for image manipulation. One thing you can do is remove background from this type of image. If I click on Remove Background, the white around the octagon will be removed. Note that you'll still have a large margin around the octagon. In that case, if I want to eliminate all that extra space, I'd also have to click on Crop. This function might be useful for people who create images in PowerPoint. This arrow was created in PowerPoint and saved with the white background. I also tried it with images whose backgrounds were not white, but it didn't work. If I click Remove Background on this image, the black is not removed. The same is true for my red and blue backgrounds on my other octagons. It seems to only work on white.